Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. In my studio this week, I am working on this design of Moses in the Nile River. It measures about 30 inches by 76 inches, and it is the second of 3 mosaics that will be going around the sides of a fountain at a church. I have already finished and installed the first one, so now I'm working on this one. Let me show you where I'm at. This week, I will be tackling the background and maybe even getting to the sky. We'll see. I've got to do the greenery, the trees, the buildings, the foliage on that tree. I'll start with putting in the palm trees and I think the foliage all along here. I've already cut some of the trunks and I wanted to show this one in particular. So this palm tree in the design is coming right off the tip of this cattail, and that is kind of silly. So I'm either going to move it a little bit this way or a little bit that way. Probably a titch over this way. So that one is going to go here instead of sprouting from the tip of that. The rest of these are all good, I think. So there's a few, and then one more here and 2 more there. So I'm gonna knock those out first. What I've done is pull my work surface away from the wall so that I can sit on this side and reach everything much easier. It means I have to work upside down, but because I'm just following the design, it's not an issue. So I'll be working upside down this week. Last week I finished the water, but I skipped this part because I didn't have the right color of gold, and the gold just came in, so I'm going to be putting this part, and then there's another part over there that is going in. of this foliage to do. And to be honest, it's going to take me quite a while because it's all custom cuts, getting these things to fit in between the reeds and rushes there. And then I've got the mountains back there. So while I want to finish this, and I'm going to finish this, I'm going to head over that way and work on the foliage and some of this foreground right here so that this middle section is sort of complete with the figures all the way up to at least the sky. Oh, yeah. This side, I just have a little bit more foliage that goes about over to the tree, and then it's going to come down. My design, let me show you the design. Yeah, it's not real clear what's happening, but I have it coming over to the tree. And then if you look closely, it kind of comes over. And I think what I'm going to do instead of this vague blending is I'm going to have it come over and just stop, maybe right on the other side of that tree. And then the ground will come up to the mountains and the mountains will be in the background. That's it. I'm loving how that background is just pushing across the river and really fading in the back and letting these figures shine in the foreground. I can't wait to get that sky in next week. I've got a little bit more of the mountains on this side, a tiny bit over there, and then it's just the sky to go and I will be finished. I think this view right here really shows how close in tone the mountains, the building, and the greenery of these trees is, even the ground. It's so close that that's one reason why it fades into the background. It's really grayed down from the vibrant colors that are in the foreground. The sky, however, is going to be nice and bright blue, so it'll kind of reflect that water and bring it all together. Can't wait. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.